Screed is done, he's gone, he's done a fantastic job. We're going to isolate the back of the extension now. Stud wall up, I've just picked up some CLS. I've got my cutting list, I've just marked them all out, exactly what I need. See you later, job done. Tuesday morning, I'm just down the yard loading up. I need to load up all of the big boy stuff ready for this knock through. Genie Lift, prop pals, needles, acros, strong boys, scaffold boards, all of the heavy duty stuff. I'll show you what we've done yesterday. So we've now got the whole back of the building. This wall's coming down. I'm gonna save the skip, pulled out on the grass there, on that verge. We can get a hardcore only muck away, part load for 180 quid from RJB Hire in Billericay. And an 8-yard skip's about 360 quid. For 1 kilo-ish. So the big boy lintel's out. There's another one here to come out in the morning, and then that wall will fly down. Go on then, down she comes. Good. Thursday morning, game plan is to get the 2 posts bolted, get the concrete foundations underneath poured. We're stripping the kitchen out as we speak, and we're going to get the stud walls up. Steel work's done, the knock throughs down, all tidied up. And we've got the stud walls up so everybody knows the layout, because we've got the sparkies coming in on Monday. Everything was going so well. The power was tripped. The clients has come around and said it's tripped. So we've gone round and had a little look. Nothing look we've done has jumped out. Look, we've tripped it. And we've gone round checking the rink. We've been on it pretty much all afternoon. And we can't figure it out. See what I'm saying? The renderers are here, obviously they're just getting set up, preparation, sheeting it all up, sheeting the patio, protecting the bifolds, protecting the soffits, the fascias, and also the windows. I'm inside, I've just knocked up some dry pack, which is 4 parts sharp sand, 1 part cement. So this is what we're looking for. So as you push it in, it's going to hold its shape and just compact the more you press it in. We're having a little bit of issues with the heat at the minute. On Monday, we're going to rasp it back and give it a sand if needed. Make sure it's nice and flat before we put in the primer on and the top coat.